this is ridiculous. All right, here we go. Morning 4. Kicking it off, starting the day in Zion, which is absolutely, this place is unreal. Absolutely gorgeous. Monument Valley and Zion are certainly top of the food chain when it comes to destinations. This is just unbelievable. There certainly isn't enough to say about Zion. Man, this was always kind of the pinnacle of the trip, and this exceeded expectations. I mean, this whole trip has been exceeding expectations. Everything, nothing looks as good as it does in pictures as it does in real life. This is just crazy. Once again, it's too bad we don't have more time to hang out, see a little bit more of the park. And unfortunately, up ahead here, the one-way road north into kind of the premier hiking area is closed due to the pandemic. So it's our parking lot. I guess the line was at past the entrance at 4:30 in the morning to get into that, and they close it down as soon as the parking is closed. So we're not going up there. So we'll just have to stick with this. I guess we'll just have to stick with these absolutely gorgeous views, and then we'll start heading back towards Colorado. But this Zion is, you have to get here. This is an absolute top 5 bucket list ride of the entire country. Well, here's the Scenic Drive north, which this is where everybody was lined up at 4:30 this morning apparently to get in. and there's just a ton more stuff like the White Throne and a bunch of scenic. It's an incredible view, so we'll just have to come back. So we stopped in Beaver, Utah to get some gas, and we decided that we're going to take this little pass, 153. We were supposed to just roll up the freeway, but we got an early start this morning, and we all decided we wanted to go through Capitol Reef again because it was so amazing. So we're just cutting up 153. Looks like it got some pretty awesome turns and some cool elevation. You can kind of almost see the river down there. This will eventually connect us back to 24, which is what Capitol Reef is on. So can't wait to go back through that again. But in the meantime, this is a pretty awesome little road. Alright, word to the wise. This is why you always do multiple spot checks on Google Maps to make sure that the entire portion of the route is paved. I've lost count. I think we're 15 miles in on dirt and now going downhill. It's a little slick in the corners, but oh man. At least we have a spectacular view. This road is sketchy, but before it turned to dirt, it was amazing. And this last stretch here, as we're coming down, hopefully to pavement again, is amazing. Look at that. I mean, you can see for forever. Somewhere straight that way basically is Capitol Reef, and if the guys behind me don't kill me and dismounts my motorcycle at the bottom of this hill, it should be fun to see it again. I can just feel the anger behind me. But this wasn't on purpose. And really, at this moment, I don't really care that much. This view is worth the 15 to 18 miles on the dirt. This is amazing. Nothing like a little Harley bagger adventure touring. If he shoots me, my death is on camera. That's my man!